Are you struggling to keep your golf shots on target or spin your ball like the pros? Well, the right golf ball can make a massive difference in your control and spin. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best golf balls for control and spin in 2026. And trust me, the number 1 pick might surprise you with its perfect balance of performance and value. Stick around because your next favorite ball could be just one click away. Number 5. Titleist Pro V1x 2026 version. Performance. The Pro V1x continues to impress with its exceptional control and high spin rates, especially on mid to long irons. Golfers report a stable trajectory and precision on approach shots. Technology and features. It features a dual-core construction with a soft mantle layer engineered for consistent spin, increased ball speed, and optimal launch angles. The aerodynamic dimple pattern ensures maximum lift and reduced drag. Design and build. Glossy white finish, perfectly balanced symmetry, and a soft yet responsive feel on impact. Ideal for precision golfers who demand consistency. Weight and portability. Standard regulation weight fits easily in any golf bag pocket. Durability, warranty, and awards. Award-winning performance renowned for durability across multiple rounds. Pros. Excellent spin and control around the greens. Durable and high-quality construction, trusted by professional golfers worldwide. Cons. Premium price point, a slightly firmer feel may not suit beginners. Best for/ideal use, intermediate to advanced players seeking precision and spin control. Price and value. Around $55 per dozen, higher priced but worth it for serious golfers seeking professional-level performance. Final verdict. A classic choice for golfers who prioritize control and spin over everything else. Number 4. Bridgestone Tour B XS 2026 edition. Performance. The Tour B XS excels in delivering sharp spin and soft feel, especially with wedges and short irons. Its flight is stable and predictable even in windy conditions. Technology and features. It comes with reactive mantle technology, which adjusts compression dynamically to optimize distance and spin. Advanced spherically tiled 338 speed dimple design boosts lift and stability. Design and build. Matte finish reduces glare with a soft yet responsive touch ideal for controlled shots and delicate chips. Weight and portability. Regulation weight, perfect for easy transport in any golf bag. Pros. Soft feel with impressive spin. Excellent for approach shots and wedges. High-quality construction. Cons. Slightly less durable than some premium balls. The price is mid-range, still a consideration for casual players. Best for/ideal use, intermediate and advanced golfers want professional feel and spin control without going Pro V1x level. Price and value. Around $50 per dozen, excellent value for high-performance golf balls. Final verdict. A soft feel, spin-focused ball that's perfect for improving control without compromising distance. Number 3. Z-Star XV 2026 release. Performance. Z-Star XV delivers long distances off the tee while maintaining exceptional spin control on short shots. It's a perfect balance of power and precision. Technology and features. It features a dual-core structure and spin skin coating to enhance grip on the club face, maximizing backspin. The 338 speed dimple pattern improves aerodynamics for consistent flight. Design and build. Glossy white finish with sleek branding, soft feel that responds well on all clubs. Weight and portability. Standard weight, very portable for on-course use or practice sessions. Pros. Excellent spin on irons and wedges, great distance without sacrificing control, aerodynamically optimized for stable flight. Cons. Higher compression may be too firm for beginners. Premium pricing compared to other mid-range options. Best for/ideal use, skilled golfers looking for performance-driven ball with distance and spin capabilities. Price and value, approximately $45 to $50 per dozen. Solid value for serious golfers who want a blend of distance and spin. Final verdict, a balanced choice for golfers seeking both distance and control in one package. Number 2. CallawayChromeSoftX 2026 version. Performance. The ChromeSoftX is known for its precise control, incredible spin rates, and consistent ball flight. It performs well across all clubs, especially wedges and short irons. Technology and features. Features graphene-infused dual-core technology for faster ball speed and low spin off the driver, while still maintaining greenside spin. Hex aerodynamics reduces drag and enhances flight stability. Design and build. Sleek matte finish with soft yet firm feel that suits professional golfers' needs. Weight and portability. Standard regulation weight, easy to carry in any golf bag. Pros. Excellent spin and control. Balanced distance and trajectory, ideal for professional-level precision. Cons. Slightly expensive, not ideal for complete beginners due to the firmer feel. Best for/ideal use, intermediate to advanced golfers seeking optimal spin, control, and precision. Price and value, around $50 to $55 per dozen, worth it for golfers who want near tour-level performance. Final verdict, a high-tech ball that gives you the precision and control of a professional tour ball. Number 1. TaylorMade TP5X 2026 edition. Performance. The TP5X takes spin and control to the next level. Exceptional greenside spin, consistent trajectory, and amazing feel make it the ultimate choice for serious golfers. Technology and features. Incorporates a 5-layer construction for optimized distance, spin, and control. The Tri-Fast core increases speed off the club face, while the high flex cover enhances grip and spin. Design and build. Premium glossy finish with aerodynamic dimple pattern. Feels soft yet powerful on every shot, providing ultimate precision. Weight and portability. Regulation weight, very portable for any golf bag. Durability, warranty, and awards. Extremely durable. Multiple awards for performance and innovation in 2025. Pros. Exceptional spin and control. Soft feel with powerful performance. Award-winning design and durability. Cons. Premium price tag. May be too advanced for beginners. Best for/ideal use, serious golfers who demand top-tier spin, precision, and feel. Price and value. Approximately $55 per dozen. High-priced but unmatched performance makes it worth every cent. Final verdict. The ultimate golf ball for control and spin in 2026. Professional-grade performance meets incredible value. Mini Buyer's Guide. When choosing the right golf ball, consider your priorities. If you want maximum spin and control, go with the TaylorMade TP5X or CallawayChromeSoftX. For balanced distance and precision, the Z-Star XV is ideal. If you're looking for soft feel and greenside control without the top-tier price, the Bridgestone BXS fits perfectly. And for professional-level reliability trusted by tour players, the Titleist Pro V1x remains unbeatable. Budget also matters. The TP5X and Pro V1x are premium picks, while Srixon and Bridgestone give you high performance at a slightly lower price. Consider your skill level, feel preference, and how much you're willing to invest in improving your game. Conclusion. And there you have it, the top 5 best golf balls for control and spin in 2026. Which one matches your game style? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more golf gear reviews, and check out our playlist on top-rated golf equipment 2025 for more tips and expert recommendations. Your perfect shot starts with the right ball, so choose wisely.